Hey guys, I'm Chuck. This is my brand new Stevens Savage Model 320. I'm going to show you guys today how to take the plug out so you can fit 5 rounds plus 1 versus 4 rounds plus 1. So what we're going to do, we're going to remove the cap that holds the barrel on, the end of the magazine. We're going to remove the barrel. Very simple. We'll take just a flathead screwdriver. I'm going to get up close. And what we're doing, we're removing this metal magazine cap right here so we can get this piece out, the plug. And it's very simple. All you're going to do, you're going to take your flathead screwdriver and press your plug down, go inside, and your screwdriver will just kind of hang there. You don't want to be violent with this, but just kind of work it around, work the edges up so you can get a grip on it. It's not hard to do, just a little tedious, but you just don't want to get too rough with it because it's very thin metal and you could bend it and have to replace it. You also want to be very careful once you get this worked up, not to let the spring go flying out. And there it is. And this is the piece that you're prying out. This is your plug. So that's about the length of a 2 3/4 shotgun shell, which is just going to add an additional round to your gun. Then all we want to do is put the cap back on, press the spring into the shaft, and boom, good to go. Now, take the barrel and replace the barrel. Like so. Make sure it's open. You want your barrel to go all the way back and lock in. Put your cap back on. And good for extra round in the gun. So I can now hold 6 rounds versus 5 rounds. I can hold 5 in the magazine, 1 in the action, 1 in the barrel, and good to go. Very simple. And there's your plug. If you ever need to put it back in, same process, drop it back in. It's good to go. Thanks for watching. Like and share, comment. Thanks.